Well guys, breathe that in, a sense of freedom. It's been a long time, isn't it? Was it 6, 7, 8 weeks? I don't know. Certainly seemed a long time before we were able to get out of our cameras and really have a little bit of freedom. Although we're not there yet, we've still got a long way to go, but you know, it's just nice to be able to get outside without any kind of worry about doing the wrong thing. Just be sensible. You know, to be honest, I'm just going to stay local again for the next few weeks. You know, probably, I don't know, 5-mile radius of where I live. And I've got a few things lined up actually. Just been, as I said before in one of the videos, where I've just been kind of walking around, doing our daily exercise in the evening, and just scouted out a few things which I'm going to capture on video at some point. Anyways, this evening I've had a really good time so far. All I'm stood is like by a barley field, and where you got the sun just dropping now. It's time 10 to 8, so we've got about another hour before the sun goes down. But on this barley, it's this lovely kind of, I suppose you call it like a lime green, and where it's been backlit by the sun, it looks really nice. So I've took a couple of shots with the wide angle just to kind of get the whole thing in. I've tried a couple of slow shutter speed ones as well, just try and get a bit of a blurred effect. But I've got me good old trusty 50mm on again, and I've come in close on a couple of things, and some of those are looking really nice, where you've got the ears of, well, not ears of corn, the ears of barley there, and just this beautiful green. So you've got these sort of, I suppose you call it like feathers, these beautiful feathers on the barley. Then you've got the lighter green of the actual barley itself, with the dark background. It's really pretty. So I've probably taken a few shots here now, so I'm going to have a wander over. Oh, there's the local church is just over there, so I'll have a little look around there. And if I'm lucky, remember I told you in one of my videos earlier on that where from the back garden you sometimes see the barn out. Well, we came for a walk along here one evening. It's the closest I've ever been to barn out, honest. We're probably from here 20 foot away. And we just stood there in silence, just watching it for about 5 or 10 minutes. Beautiful, absolutely lovely. So I'm hoping, you know, cross fingers, he might be flying around tonight. If he does, that'd be great. Just, you know, I haven't got my zoom lens or anything like that, but it'd just be nice to see it again. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to have a little wander over to the church, see what's going on there, and see what else we can capture. But anyway, so welcome back, and yeah, hope you're all able to get out and, you know, enjoy what you do. You know, so anyways, I'm waffling on a bit now, so I'm just going to wrap up here and then crack on and have a look over there. So yeah, catch you in a bit. I've got me shut away for the last, what, 7 or 8 weeks. And what have I come out and photographed? Could have gone to all the iconic places, down to the coast. No, I've come out and I've photographed some barley in a field and some buttercups. But I don't care. Honestly, it's just so good just to be back outside with the old trusty camera. doing what we love doing, and let's just hope it's a sign of things to come. That you know, the government know what they're doing and they're going to get on top of this, and hopefully at some point in the future we can all kind of get back to some real normality, you know. But you know, let's just be grateful for small mercy, shall we? You know, it's good just to have that little bit of relaxation now that we can get out and just get back out and enjoying nature, enjoying the world, and taking photographs, even if they are of barley and buttercups. It don't matter, does it? We're outside. So anyways guys, I'm gonna call it a night now. The sun's going down. Well, to be honest, I might hang around a bit because that cloud over there looks really good. With the sun behind it, it could all kick off, so I might just kind of hang around a bit and perhaps get some sunset shots. I've got another probably half an hour, so we'll see. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye. Okay guys, well, while I was waiting for the sun to go down, I just came across this composition. You've got this lovely old post here, with old posts leading down as well and going along there. I've taken a couple like close up just at the angle there and heading down as well. So yeah, again, just shows just wandering around what you can find. So yeah, they come out okay, so I'm just waiting to see what the sky does behind me. Probably going to miss it, but it's looking pretty nice, I have to be honest.